Leute. So we're looking at the activity Freunde fürs Leben. Our textbook has written you a lovely song, about friendship. Friends for life, Freunde fürs Leben. It's lovely and cheesy, and it's got a lot of your vocab words in it. So, here's what you're supposed to do. If you scroll down under the text, you'll find the link to listen to the song. So, listen to the song, enjoy it. Follow along and read the lyrics. Look up words that you don't know. Most of them should be on your vocab list for Kapitel 2, Teil either 1 or 2. But it's Kapitel 2 vocab, Also, if you have questions about vocab, just ask me. So listen to the song, Then, the next thing is they want you to say what's in the song, what's not in the song, So, take a look. First of all, beste Freunde sind wichtig, weil sie nicht lügen. And you would say, stimmt. Das steht in Zeile 17. So if we go back up here to line 17, Freunde, die sind lustig, ehrlich und auch cool. Friends, they are funny, honest, and cool. So that means that best friends are important because they don't lie. That's what ehrlich means, Ehrlich, honest. They don't lie. Sie nicht lügen. That's what that is, okay? So this may take you a little bit of time. You got to hunt for the words up there, and it's not exactly the same words because this is not baby Deutsch anymore. This is like little kid Deutsch, So we've taken a step up. So we're going German to German here. What German words are synonyms for these other German words? Kein English. All right. So say what line, like where you find it, if it's up there or not, and if it is, what line you found it in. Okay? So if you haven't done it already, take a minute to do it, and then hang on and I'll tell you the answers. Moment mal. I didn't put them on the thing this time. I'll just tell you really quick. There it is. Okay, here we go. So, das stimmt. Stimmt. Let me go back a little bit. Stimmt. So, and das ist Zeile 17. We just did. B, weil sie alles wissen. Freunde sind wichtig, weil sie alles wissen. Because they know everything. Das stimmt nicht. It's not up there. Okay, C. Freunde sind wichtig, weil man mit ihnen Spaß haben kann. Also das ist schon wieder in Zeile 17. So in line 17, also line 17, sie sind lustig, also im Park, Sportplatz und Swimmingpool, you go have fun with your friends at these places. They're lustig. Lustig is funny or fun. They're fun. Okay. Also D, weil sie immer einverstanden sind. Because they're always in agreement. Also einverstanden. Das ist falsch. That's not up there. Also E, weil man zusammen viel Sport machen kann. Also Freunde sind wichtig, weil man zusammen viel Sport machen kann. Because one can do, machen here is do. One can do lots of sports together. Das ist richtig. It's in line 15. Wir beide sind zusammen im Sport und auch im Spiel. We're together in sports and games. So that one's up there. All right. F. Beste Freunde sind wichtig, weil man ihnen immer alles erzählen kann. Because one can tell them always everything. Also, das ist richtig. That is in the song. Zeile 5. So let's look. Zeile 5. Freunde, die hören zu, verstehen und beraten. Friends, they listen, understand, and advise. So, All right. G. Freunde sind wichtig, weil sie nie wütend sind, because they are never furious. And das stimmt nicht. Yeah, that's not there. Und dann H, also Freunde sind wichtig, weil sie bei Problemen helfen, because they help with problems. Ja, Zeile 5 und 7. Ja, also sie hören zu, verstehen und beraten. Ja, they listen, understand and advise. Und auf ihre Hilfe muss man nicht lange warten. Man is the one. One must wait not long for their help. Ja, stimmt. You could even go to the next line. In guten und schlechten Zeiten sind sie immer da. In good and bad times they are always there. Ja, so H is richtig. Ja, das stimmt. Alright guys, so one big grammar point here. Notice all of these phrases, I should say actually clauses. Clauses have verbs in them. All of these clauses start with while. Yeah, while means because. And on your note-taking sheet, yeah, in your note-taking packet, yeah, you have a section for this. It says while, and it's in a boot. Yeah, that's because while is what I like to call a boot word. It kicks your verb to the end of the clause. So notice for each one of these clauses, that verb has been kicked to the end. Yeah. So like for example, let's see. Let's look at E. Weil man kann zusammen viel Sport machen. That's what the sentence would be. One can do lots of sports together. Man kann immer viel Sport machen would be the sentence if there were no while. But because we've used while at the front of that clause, my verb is going to get kicked to the end. That's how subordinate clauses work. Okay? So, down here, warum, yeah, also weil kicks my verb to the end. Yeah. So make sure that you add that, yeah, to your notes so that you remember, because we're going to be practicing a lot of while clauses. Das ist alles. Tschüss.